Alright, so this video we are going to look at finding the degree of a polynomial. Okay, so if we got three examples here, and the degree of the polynomial is the largest exponent. Okay, that's simple. So if we look at this example here, you can see we've got an exponent of 3, 2, and then this one, this 11, that is the degree of this one is 0. Okay, because 11, you can look at that as 11 times x to the 0 power, because look, 11 times x to the 0, well, we know that x to the 0 is just 1. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1, then 11 times 1 is 11. Okay, so the largest exponent is 3, so this has degree 3. And in number 2, you can see that it's not in any kind of order. Typically what you want to do is you want to rewrite your exponent in write your polynomial in descending powers. And I know this one's easy to see, and you can go through and find the largest exponent. But typically there's a lot of problems that when you're working with polynomials, it's good to have them in descending powers, so it's good to get practice to write them in descending powers. Alright, so like especially if you're solving this, if this was set equal to 0 and you were solving it, you would want it in descending powers. Okay, so if we look through here, we've got it in descending powers. Here's your largest exponent, 4, so this polynomial has degree 4. Alright, so the last one here, you can see we've got two variables. Okay, we've got an x and a y. Well, to get the degree of each term, okay, so to get the degree of each term, what we do is we add the exponents. So the 2 plus the 5 here, so 2 plus 5, well, that's going to give us 7. Here, there's no exponent there, so it's understood to be a 1. So this would be what? 1 plus 3. So the degree of this term would be 4. This one, we've got a 6 and a 1. So the degree of this term would be 6 plus 1, which is 7. This one, it just has one term, the x. So this degree would be 1. And then the degree of this term would be 1. So what's the largest degree? It's 7. So the degree of the polynomial is 7. Alright, so I hope that video helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.